Hey there, Spooky Squad. Are you ready to level up your Halloween game? Then get ready to make these awesome, spooktacular ghosts. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make these cute and creepy little ghosts that are perfect for your boo crew. So grab your friends, grab some crafts, and let's get going. Hi. So what you really wanna do is just grab some foam balls, some 3-inch foam balls from the Dollar Tree, and these satin pillowcases. It's some of these balloon stakes. They're really helpful for a lot of crafts, especially this one. If you don't happen to have these on hand, you can use skewers. While you're at the Dollar Tree, you're gonna wanna grab some little accessory items such as little pumpkins, little foam flowers, some fake flowers for finishing off the bouquet, and pipe cleaners are always in my go-to stash as well. Also at the Dollar Tree, you're gonna find lots of different types of containers that you can use. I chose this candy container because it has a nice flat shape on it so that I can easily put my Boo Crew message here. Then I filled it up with some stones that I had. I recommend grabbing even clear ones would be cool because we can embed our lights in here and that would be really fun and spooky as well. So there's a lot of options and there's a lot of variety that you can do just by choosing different color stones or clear stones in lights and stuff like that. The Dollar Tree also happens to have some really cute Halloween lights. So don't forget to get those Halloween lights before they go out of stock. And we're gonna kind of poke those in there. All right, are you ready to get started? Let's do this. So I'm just gonna take my balloon stick and I'm going to give it a little bit of hot glue, enough to where your foam ball can sit safely on the top. All right. Before I stick them into the pebbles, I want to make sure that I have just about the right size. I usually like to start going high up so that I can cut off what I need as I go. So get those stuck on there. I love this craft. I can't wait to accessorize. All right. There for now. Okay, so while these dry, I'm going to show you how I cut up my pillowcase. Can you believe this? $125 for this awesome pillowcase. The reason I chose satin is because satin has a really nice sheen to it and it is going to really make it look a little bit more luxurious of a ghost. So we're gonna do that. And also I have a secret hack for how to tie-dye satin as well. I do recommend ironing these out. Once you have a nice, flat, smooth satin piece, it doesn't have to be completely smooth. You're gonna fold your pillowcase in half widthwise, and then you're gonna cut through the middle. Now that I've cut into two, I'm actually going to cut along these seam lines so that I have 4 pieces of fabric total. All right, so we have 2 rectangular pieces from this half of the pillowcase. And we still have this one put together because maybe I'm gonna use it for a bigger ghost later. Maybe like this guy, that sort of thing. But let's work with these 2 here. I'll show you about how this works. So you see this, lots of fringe, lots of things that you don't want people to see. So it's just as easy as take all the corners, pinch them together. You see, I have a rubber band, just gonna put that rubber band on there, loop it a few times. And then we put him onto the foam ball right there. All right, zhuzh him around a little bit. Boo, like and subscribe. You can easily cut these to size. Yes, that's cute. Okay. this guy. this guy. Okay, so you can see I put some hot glue eyes on here. In my candy corn video, my candy corn character video, you'll see how I did the hot glue eyes. And it's really just easy. You just do daubs of hot glue, wait for them to dry, and then color them in with Sharpie paint marker. I'll put the link in the description below. But I want to try something a little bit different. I want to create felt eyes, and the O's on the felt letters that I'm going to use to stick onto here, these O's are the perfect eyes. So I'm just going to use the center of the O's to create the cutest little eyes on my ghosts. I am all about being resourceful and using what you have, and I try not to throw away a lot of things. And so when you see something like that, you just got to go through and use it. All right, let's put our Boo Crew phrase on here. I got these felt letters at the Dollar Tree, and they add a nice texture to your projects too, which I think you probably know by now. I love texture, so it's going to look super cute. I mentioned earlier that there's these great lights at the Dollar Tree, and I do like them a lot. I decided to do a pumpkin patch like this. So I'm just gonna scoochy those in there like that. Okay, it's turning out to be super cute. I like to get these little pumpkins at the Dollar Tree too, because it makes life a little bit easier when you wanna cover up some of the spots on your projects that have some wires sticking out, that sort of thing. Just all around good finishing touch. Let's make some fun hats and maybe some glasses. Totally forgot that I had these. Let's try and make some glasses for this middle one. Ooh. All right, I'm gonna have this one holding a cute little pumpkin. And that's easily done by just going like that. Getting a little bit of warm glue. No Boo Crew bouquet would be complete without some spooky flowers. And I sure have them. I hope that you enjoyed the Boo Crew craft. Which one do you like the most? I am so in love with this one with the glasses on it. I'm going to show you in another video how to tie-dye these satin ghosts to make them even more personalized. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and we're gonna have a good time together. I can guarantee it.